To change the location associated with the tag on an artwork, I come to the artwork panel in the top left-hand corner. At this point, I choose the artwork I would like to change the location of. Once I've done this, I will be shown all the information related to this tag. I then need to click on Location on the left-hand side. At this point, I will see all the locations are grayed out. In order to change this, I first click Edit at the top. At this point, I can choose exactly where I would like the system to recognize this artwork as being. In this case, I have lots of drop-down menus and lots of options. So I am moving this artwork from Gallery 16 to Gallery 17A. It's going to be on the south wall, and I have the option to add in a note here. So you can see in this case, I've chosen to write above fireplace. That way, if there is an alarm or if you would simply like to look through the system, you will have the precise information related to the location of this artwork. All I need to do at this point is click Save, and my changes will be saved to the system.